Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a bronzy copperish eye look, and yeah, that's kind of what I'm going for. So if you guys want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. So in today's video we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and this is my favorite palette. As you can tell, like literally every shade is gone. Yeah, especially this one, so pretty. So starting off, I'm going to be using my Morphe M505, and I'm going to be picking up Eden, which is this shade right here, and Blazing. I'm going to mix that into the crease. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. I really like how it's looking. So now I'm going to be taking some of Amber, and I'm going to focus that mostly on the outer crease. So, looks like a tangerine. Alright, let's keep blending. Okay, so I'm gonna take a Wet n Wild brush. I don't know the name of it, but I'm gonna take Eden, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges so I don't have any harsh lines. This brush is pretty good for Wet n Wild is bomb, low-key. Well, I don't know if I want to leave it like this or I want to add brown in the outer crease. I think I'm gonna add brown. I'm gonna be taking a MAC 217 brush, and I'm gonna take the shade, I don't know how to say this, it's Oid. Wait, I don't fucking know. It's this brown one, and I'm gonna pop that into the outer crease. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut my crease, and I also put on a gold shade because I'm gonna put glitter on top. So for the glitter, I'm using Beauty Creations glitter in the shade Kitten. Looks like this. Whoa, dirty ass. Looks like this. You guys can see it. It's so pretty. It's like a coppery gold shade. And then I'm gonna be using the NYX NYX glitter primer. Alright, we're gonna start on the face. So I'm gonna be using the Milani Camila oil. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use my favorite combo at the moment, which is the Too Faced Born This Way and then the Milani 2-in-1. I'm just gonna mix those two together. Alright, so for my concealer, I'm going to be using my favorite one at the moment, which is the Too Faced Born This Way. My camera's dying again. I'm really sorry. I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to set my face with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and I'm in the shade Banana Bread. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up the rest of my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless powder. This is really freaking bomb. It does leave your skin very like poreless. It's just really nice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and brush off my under eyes with it as well. Bronzed. Okay, so for my bronzer, I'm going to be using Dark Tan by MAC. This is their mineralized skin finish, and I'm going to be using a MAC 135. Since I want more of a glowy look, I'm gonna put some of this Milani bronzer on top. I'm pretty sure it's one of their big bronzers. I don't know the name of it. It rubbed off, and I have a lot of pigment, so I'm just gonna rub it in. And then this is a MAC 168 brush. It doesn't have a lot of pigment, but it just like leaves you a really pretty, do you guys see that? Yeah, it leaves you a really pretty glow. And I'm gonna put like the tiniest amount on my forehead because my forehead's already fucking huge. I don't want too much like glow on there. Okay, that's done. All right, for my blush, I'm gonna be using MAC Margin. Looks like this. I hit pan because it's so bomb. See? My face now with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist because why did I talk? Now I'm gonna highlight, so I want it to look really glowy. Okay, I'm going for like a really intense highlight. That is my move. I'm gonna be using Morphe Lit. It looks like this. It's like a yellow based highlight. It's really pretty. And then on top of it, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighter, and I'm gonna be putting it on top. This is called Gold School. It's all fucking cracked. I cracked it when I was really drunk. Sorry. Do you see that? Hold on, wait till I put this one on top. This is even better. Do you see that? Bomb. Alright, so I went ahead and put on some lashes off camera, and now I'm going to be doing my lower lash line. I'm going to apply a little bit of powder because I don't want the fallout to mess up my concealer. I'm going to be taking the same 3 shades that I put in my crease, and I'm going to smoke that out. I'm gonna be going in with Maybelline Lash Sensational. What the fuck? Whatever, I'm going in with this one since I can't freaking talk. And yeah, this is my favorite mascara. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be taking this natural lip liner. I got it from Makeup Shack. It doesn't have a brand, but it was only $1 and it works really, really good. Okay, and then for my lipstick, I'm going to be taking MAC's Honey Love. And then for my lip gloss, I'm going to be taking Fenty Beauty's Diamond Milk. Looks like this. I think I want to add a little bit of, where is it? I think I want to add a little bit of Morphe's Shimmy just in the center. We're done, bitch. We're done, finally. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, yeah, I literally don't know what to say. I just like this look. It's so cute, and I love the lip color as well. So yeah, let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I don't know what to do. I'm thinking about doing some, maybe a vlog or what I eat in a day, because I'm trying to get slim. But yeah, I don't know what to film, so let me know what you guys want to see, and also follow me on all my social medias. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen and also in the description bar. Bye guys, thank you.